Welcome to our booth. My name is Vaibhav. I am Medical Industry Manager at igus India. igus, we are a German manufacturing company who deals into high performance plastics. We call them as motion plastics. Our components are lubrication free and maintenance free. Our specialty is the tribopolymer material, that is not giving any maintenance for your applications, no corrosion, no noise. These are the key benefits. Here in Medicall Expo, some products we are emphasizing on. Here you can see this is the Rebel robot. This is displayed along with the 7 axis. Along with this, we have miniature linear actuators, which we are specifically suggesting for the medical industry related applications like laboratory devices, diagnostic equipments. We have energy chain systems. You can see here we have displayed them. These energy chain systems are completely maintenance free, reliable solutions. We have our special cables, dynamic duty cables, which can be used inside these energy chain cable carrier systems. They really work in very low bending radius, which is the requirement for compact medical industry equipments. Along with that, we have ready cables also. So the cables will be harnessed along with the connector. We can give it in the form of ready chains also. So all these solutions are available for medical industry related applications. Thank you so much.